To fix Doordash Fast Pay not working, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Doordash app installed on your device, as outdated versions may cause issues with the Fast Pay feature. Next, check your account balance and available Fast Pay funds to confirm you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Also, verify that your bank account is linked correctly and that there are no issues with your bank's connection to Doordash. If you have recently made changes to your account, such as updating your bank account information or password, try restarting the app or logging out and logging back in to refresh your account settings. Additionally, check for any pending or failed transactions that may be causing the issue, and cancel them if necessary. If you are still experiencing issues, try contacting Doordash support directly for assistance, as they can provide more detailed guidance and troubleshooting specific to your account. It is also a good idea to check the Doordash website for any known issues or outages that may be affecting the Fast Pay feature, as sometimes technical issues can cause problems with the service. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Doordash Fast Pay not working and get back to using the feature quickly and easily. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions regularly to avoid any potential issues with Fast Pay.